Another great, cold, refreshing drink to enjoy on your road trip that is so easy to make is iced tea, and you will be surprised how easy this is. All you need is your favorite travel cup that is great for an insulated beverage. And you're gonna wanna get 2 tea bags. So pick your favorite flavor. I'm using watermelon mint today. I find that the fruity ones are really good cold. So all you're gonna do is stick it in the bottom of your cup like that, add some ice on top, fill it up with ice cubes so it stays nice and cold. The tea bags that are round like that without a tag on them are really easy to use because that way you don't have to worry about the tags soaking in the water. All right, so now we've filled our cup up with ice, and then you're just gonna pour some water over it. All right, put your lid on and let it sit for a few hours. I usually like to wait about 4 hours, so this is gonna be a great pick-me-up along the way of your route, and it'll be nice and cold, and you'll see that the tea will steep right in there with the cold water, and you can add some stevia or sugar if you'd like. Anything that you might normally mix in with your tea, you can add before you leave the house, and you'll have a nice cold beverage. You can also do this before you leave the hotel on the way back. If there's ice that you can grab, bring a couple extra tea bags with you so you have that ready.